What's up, everyone? I ordered some pants about a few weeks ago, and they remembered to deliver them today. And after I complained, after I sent an email to the company I bought it from, which I may not say if you can see it from here, it doesn't matter, but they did priority mail one day. I complained about 2 days ago, and they made a priority mail one day, and it says here the was prepared on the 17th. I ordered these pants about 2 weeks ago, so they finally remembered. So anyway, I guess this company does not want my business anymore. So it's not an unboxing video. I don't like unboxing, but yeah, let's do an attempt of unboxing stuff anyway. Yeah, whatever. Thank you for your purchase. Yeah, you're welcome. I am purchasing anything anymore from this company, that's for sure. I ordered parts from, they brought me a hat, man. Yeah. So yeah, they brought me a hat. Have you seen that? Did you see that? You gave it to me. Throw it back. Here, give it. You suck. But yeah, so I don't know who, whatever, maybe, but yeah, it comes up with a free hat. BMW motor rod. Yeah. I guess, yeah. It takes about... Anyway, but, it's good. They don't match with my jacket, but anyway. Who gives a shit? These are the pants. I've been riding with, with tactical pants, and I'm telling you, it's not fun in the winter. And right off the bat, I freaking love them. The way they look, they're bright enough so they can see you at night at least, but not dark. My bike is black, but yeah, they're good. I like them. Yeah, my neighbor starts banging stuff again. But yeah, they have protection in here. I don't know how you can get into the protection. You can get from the inside, I think. Yep, you can get from inside. It's not a review of the pants, it's just... Oh yeah, these are good. These are good. These are good, you can hang them in here. These are... The belt... Oh, the belt, it goes... Oh, nice, okay. Fun mechanism. Plug it in, pull, it plugs in. That's good. There's the belt, it's okay. Now, I order a size 52. I'm about almost 6 foot tall, 5'11", something like that, or 182 in centimeters, European size. And these are, I don't know if you can see it from here, but these are like size 52. The jacket was size 54 and it's a little bit bigger, so I tried the 52 and it fits perfect, so they should fit me perfectly. And pockets, I'll show them later on how they fit on a different video, maybe, like I show the whole suit. But they're Rallye 52 size BMW motor rod, and I was gonna try and show. Yeah, I don't think I can get in from the... I have to get in from the back. I want to show that they have the knee protection in here, which is good. So yeah, but I'm trying to get into the... Yep, they're good. They have the liner inside, the thermal thing, which is great actually for winter. In the summertime you can remove this shit and you'll have protection and a mesh. So there, this comes off apart. You can take it out. I'll do a full review maybe on these pants and on the jacket what I have, and then why it's so expensive to buy these pants. Because I think it's really like, you know, you need only one pair of pants instead of having, you can remove the whole liner in here. It's zipped up. You can like definitely remove the liner, the inside. That's a thermal thing that keeps you, if you use this on the summer, I promise you your bolts will be drowned in sweat. But in the winter you need them. So oh, there's a lot of them. Okay, let's break this shit down in pieces anyway. Let's tear it apart since we're here. So these are your usual trousers that your grandpa will wear in the 1920s. They look like, but they're not from outside. These are the thermal liner. And yeah, it's unbreathable. I think it doesn't breathe. Yep, it does not breathe, so it keeps your heat, your body heat inside. Really good shit. Summertime, this goes not garbage, but you know, you don't wear it on summer. And hey, magnetic stuff. Wow, that's good. Good. I like it. Look at this shit. Look at the attention to detail. I think they justify their pricing for being so expensive. But it will keep you warm and clean. They have heat protector. Is this DOT3 or DOT? What is this? NP12, high, large, and HP2. It's an NP2H2, so it's most likely number 2 protection. They have 3 grades: first grade, second grade. This is the second one grade, and the third one is like very stiff and very hard. So it has heat protection in case you go take a dive. Which, you know, but yeah, so for your booty, like on the hip, on the back of it, pocket, so you can store your used condoms or stuff like this. And there is a side pocket in here. No, that's venting. It has ventilation. There is protection in here too, same thing, yellow. It's huge, it's like big. It's about this long. So it starts from the knee up to your shin most likely. This is some air venting in the summer, breathable, which is good. One pair of pants for both winter and summer. There is Velcro that I hate about it, like very strong. I hate on my jacket, but it's very thin, so you have a pocket in here, you can store stuff. No pockets on your ass. Shouldn't store stuff in the back anyway. And there is the zipper here that you can connect it with the jacket. There's another pocket in here. There is a BMW design in here. There's a button. Nice, nice. Attention to detail. German engineering. Oh, I have some. Yay, I have extra stuff. Holy shit, I mean, a lot of recyclable stuff in here. Care concept, okay, this we may need because how to wash them or whatever. And you have a booklet in here that says the MP protectors, technical information. I don't know who the hell reads through these things, but I may read it and learn and then recycle it. There's buttons in case this shit goes bad, you can replace it, which is good. But this booklet in here and the plastics and stuff, recyclable. I don't think any of you guys read those things ever. I doubt it, if any of it. But so there's mesh inside. Yo, I really like it. BMW motor right now. Here is my jacket. This is about 300 pounds, and that's the jacket, so it kind of, it's black, but it's silver, gray in here, so Now, I had some technical difficulties with the video. I think I ran out of memory, so I did not know what happened, either memory or something, but the video started recording and I was talking like an idiot. So this is take 2 of the same video. This is a week later for me, this is the same day for you guys, so a few seconds later, and a darker shirt later. So, but yes, I was saying, there's a zipper in here that you can connect the pants with the jacket, and I'm gonna try and shorten up the video quickly and show you guys how these things connect to each other. Now on the jacket you have, if you have the thermal liner, I keep calling it thermal liner, I think it's a thermal, right? It should be a thermal, that's call it, or comfort liner, whatever. It should say somewhere in there, flow, so airflow. But anyway, it's not like thermal, like meaning that, you know, it will heat up, but it will keep your heat inside, so that's why I call it thermal liner. But anyway, as you can see, my jacket is size 54, as I said, and it's for 182 person tall. I am 182, but I'm not as fat as it says in here. So anyway, but if you want to connect the pants and the jacket, you have 2 connections actually. For the summertime, you can connect the first one, I believe. I want to believe that this will connect, because there's 2 connections. Okay, let's come back. I'll do a review on the jacket too, maybe, and say why are so expensive. I now understand why they're expensive. But this is the yeah, that's the jacket. This is the jacket that you can have. This one, so now jacket and pants are in one piece. I mean, not one piece, but it is they're connected. So the problem with this is that if you want to take a shit, if you want to go to the bush and take a shit, you're screwed with this one if you get diarrhea. So careful what you eat out there when you do adventure riding. So this is one way that it connects the pants and the jacket. Let me be in here. So pants and jacket, they're like connected, and there is a second way that you can connect the. There's a second connection in here, that this is from the liner, the inside of the liner, not the jacket itself, but the liner. I believe it connects with the pants as well. So this is with the liner. So basically in the winter, you'll have some nice air in the jacket. It's so yeah, so you have the liner connects with the pants, or the jacket connects with the pants, and then the liner itself connects with the pants. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense right now, or I'm being clear, but yeah, so there's 2 connection points on it, which is great actually. Did not realize that one. I thought it was only one connection. But yeah, as I was saying, pockets, we covered the pockets, the air vents. I really like them. I'm not sure how strong they will be. I mean, usually the stitching is where the problem comes. Like usually they get weak fast, and like if I can see like the stitching in here, like they start coming out, they start breaking loose, because you know they stretch, you know, you wear them and stuff like that. So nothing that you cannot repair. I mean, you can still stitch them yourself if you go through it. You can still do that one, but overall build quality of the pants, it feels good. I tested them. I test fitted them, so they fit as length size. They're pretty good. I mean, they cover your boot. They go all with the floor. So if you wear tall boots on these pants, it will cover your boot. You have the option to have the boot or the pants outside of the boot, like you have the boot inside if you wear long boots, and you have the option of putting the boot inside the pants. I mean the pants inside the boot. Like if you go with the Velcro in here, this one gets smaller, so you can stick this thing inside your boot. Depends on what type of boot you're wearing. So this will fit inside the boot, or on the other pants it will stay outside of the boot, so options are great. The price I paid for it, they were a little bit steep. I mean, I don't want to buy like several pants of pairs, like, you know, let's say like you spend $200, because as we all know, like, you know, prices are going up lately with everything. Like, you buy a pair of jeans and they like cost money, but these kind of protect your ass because they have all kinds of protection gear. So if you buy a pair of pants for the summer, you spend like about, let's say, $100, and then you buy another pair for spring or autumn and you spend another 100, and then you want to buy a pair of pants for winter, and then you spend, like, you know, you accumulate and your wardrobe will get bigger and bigger. Instead, I prefer to have one pair of pants and one jacket for all seasons. As long as you keep moving, I don't think you'll feel the heat in the summer. I rode this year on the high temperatures, and it was hot, but as long as you keep moving, it's breeze. I did not have these pants. I was wearing the tactical pants, like I said earlier. I was wearing the tactical pants, and you feel the breeze with this one, but these are not good for, knock on wood, going down, or if it's cold weather, you'll freeze. You'll make some ice cubes, let's say like that. You're nuts, you'll make them ice cubes. So other than that, build quality, really like it. Now I don't know how long they will last, these pants, but maybe I'll do a review, or maybe I'll do a long-term review after a year or so wearing them. I haven't had the chance yet to wear them. Remember, this is a week later because I had technical problems, so I did not have a chance to wear these pants outside yet. The weather has been crazy outside. It's not only the cold, I don't mind the cold weather, but the rain and the slash or like snow stuff, I don't want to ride. Plus I've been busy with work, so I will test them, and I'll do a motovlogging video and tell my opinion about these pants while I'm riding with them. Now stay tuned for my next video. Maybe it will be a tool reveal or like a tool review. Also, I may review this one too and say how this thing works. This is the Hex GS 911. This is a maintenance tool that I think you need it. Shit, I thought it was open. I thought it was on, but it's not. But yeah, this is for, like, you know, for the CAN bus of your bike, as if you have a BMW like I do. This you'll need to do maintenance work on your bike, like reading codes and let's say, for example, flushing the brakes or replacing the brakes. Since my bike is 1 year old, she's gonna become 1 year old in about a month or so, I have to replace the brake fluids, and without this tool I cannot do that because the ABS will not work. And as you guys know, going to BMW dealership or BMW dealership, they will ask for your kidney or maybe transplant some body parts to do the maintenance. So that's going to be maybe a review in the future. Stay tuned for that one. Maybe a review will be some of the tools that I have that I do work on the bike. And other than that, stay tuned for more videos. If you disliked this video, hit the thumbs down. Let me know in the comments what went wrong on the video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing to support and help the channel grow. Other than that, thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Ride recklessly, be safe, peace.